Guys, here is my smoked turkey neck. As you can see, I have my oxtail seasoning. Guys, as you can see, I have my pat on the stove where I'm going to add my oil. As you know, I always have my garlic, guys. And a little bit, so when it's time for me to add my Philby comfort, and that's the reason the next form of brown, I'm adding in all my natural seasoning, guys. So I just have it all mixed around. I'm gonna have this cooking for like 30, 35, 40 minutes, guys. Guys, I'm checking in on the turkey neck. I'm gonna check the texture of the gravy. As you can see, guys, and the meat didn't fall off the bone, but it's cooked. So guys, you know what time is it? We're gonna have it cooked for the next 5 minutes, and then we have it plated, guys. So stay tuned. You're all gonna see the finished product, guys, and we're gonna give you the result. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, there you have it. That's the complete meal that was being perfectly planned and executed on time and to perfection, guys. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. As you see, this meal, as it's plated on the plate, is very detailed, guys. Everything in it, you can see what make up the meal right through for the turkey neck. Natural seasoned sauce, guys. As you can see, even the jerks was standing out, guys.